If you're looking for a simple way to recover your Facebook account, you're in the right place. Let's get started right away. I'm going to guide you through the process of recovering your Facebook account. And don't worry, it's incredibly simple when you follow along step by step. We're not going to use the Facebook app for this process, so the first thing you need to do is close the app completely. Instead, we'll be using a web browser. Any browser will work fine. You can open Google Chrome, Safari, or Mozilla Firefox. Once you're in the browser, access the settings or options and choose to open a new incognito tab or private browsing mode. This is important because the incognito mode won't track any of your previous sessions or data, which gives us a clean slate to work with. Now, once you've opened that incognito tab, go to Google by typing google.com into the address bar and tapping Enter. In the search field, type Facebook support account and press Enter. You'll see several options in the results, but the one you need to click on is Help Center Facebook. Go ahead and tap on that. The Facebook Help Center will load, showing a variety of support options. Here, you need to look carefully for the section where it says, Write in your login and password and click here. When you click on that login section, several options will appear for you to choose from. Among these, you must look for and click I can't access the email address or mobile number on my account. This will direct you to Facebook's official account recovery page. On the recovery page, follow the steps exactly as they appear, one by one. You'll start by entering your mobile phone number. If your account isn't connected to a mobile number, no worries. Just select the alternative option that says Search by your email or name instead. Choose whichever option applies to you and continue going through the process until the final step. Facebook may ask you a few verification questions or offer some options to help you prove your identity. These questions can vary depending on the person and the account, but they are an essential part of the final steps to recover your Facebook account. Now listen closely. If these instructions worked for you, don't forget to scroll down and leave a comment that says, "Oh, thanks, it worked." It helps other viewers know it's effective. However, if for any reason the process didn't work, we still want to help you. Please leave a comment with two important details. First, tell us the make and model of your phone, and second, explain what exactly happened. This helps us prepare better solutions and updates for everyone. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and if you need to, watch the video again from the beginning to make sure you didn't miss any steps. Thank you so much for being here, my dear friend. I really hope this helped you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now.